Assalamualaikum and welcome to part 2 of my Temu haul. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, make sure to check it out. The link is in the description box below. Now let's jump into today's haul. So first up we have these beauty sponges. They come in a variety of shapes, drop shape, triangular, large and small, and I ordered them because the deal was amazing and the price was super affordable. Next I picked up this set of tinted lip balm. It's a pack of 3 and the shades are absolutely gorgeous. The best part, they don't feel heavy like lipstick but still keep your lips soft, moisturized and looking natural. Then I got these eyeliner brushes. They are super fine and thin, making it so easy to achieve that perfect eyeliner look. I have been wanting something like this for a while and these didn't disappoint. Finally, a tinted gloss, and its color is so beautiful and it adds a lovely tint to your lips while keeping them hydrated. So that's all for part 2 of my haul. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in my next video. Assalamualaikum.